New non-police response to certain emergency calls is being implemented.
It's expected to be up and running by the summer. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde is getting answers on its rollout.
Open conversations about police reform grew in Northampton following the death of George Floyd at the hands of a Minneapolis police officer.
Like many other communities, it was an opportunity for residents and elected officials to sort of take stock about what public safety and what community safety means.
In July of 2020, the Northampton Policing Review Commission was appointed by the mayor and city council to conduct a sweeping public policy review. One of the primary recommendations by the group was to establish a new department of community care to provide civilian responders to community needs, including peer response to mental health and substance use crisis. This as an alternative to police response. This week, the city announced the hiring of Sean Donovan as the implementation director to oversee the new initiative.
His responsibility will be for helping the city set up this new city department really from the ground up.
Northampton Mayor David Narkowitz tells Western Mass News Donovan's background and work at a Holyoke nonprofit made him the best candidate for the job.
He also lives in Northampton and has been actively involved in the community conversation around looking at public safety and looking at alternative approaches to public safety.
Donovan is set to start his new job on December 15th. On his agenda, to meet with key city departments and community stakeholders.
I think that that's an important component of this new department.
At this time, it is unknown how many civilian responders will be needed.
And that's really one of the roles of this implementation director is helping us understand that. Part of that will be driven by some of the data collection around, how many mental health related calls or substance use calls we currently receive.
But the goal is to have the program running by the beginning of the new fiscal year, which begins on July 1st, 2022. Meantime, residents we spoke with tell us this is great progress by the city.
I think a lot of times police can be like an aggressive or escalating force in situations. So I think having people that come from a more neutral, healing place will be good.
And if you'd like more information on this new department, you can head to our website, westernmassnews.com. For now, reporting in Northampton, Briseida Landaverde for Western Mass News.